Let's have a quick look at magnetic masks and perspective titles. Now here we have a green screen applied to a magnetic mask. Now all I've done is put the mask on the billboard, and that's all there is to it. A magnetic mask on a green screen. Now the next one is I've applied a mask to that. In other words, I've put a video in the mask so that you can see the cattle grazing in the magnetic mask. That's all there is to that one. Very simple, but you'll notice there's no perspective. Now we apply perspective using the plugin from Pixel Studio, and you can see that the cattle fit in there, and it's a 2-layer track because I've got a little signboard on top of it too. I input a second mask. Now we have perspective single tracking. Much simpler. This is one perspective track and just one little video in there. There's not much movement in that fellow, but he is standing there smoking very slowly. Now the next one, these are more simple. Single layer tracking, and that's a billboard on a studio somewhere and a person walking past. Good for real estate. And this one is also perspective single tracking. The same base layer, but with another real estate agent tracking on there.